In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the statistics report in Teleprime. Now, statistics report simply means that you want to analyze how many journal vouchers you have booked, how many payment vouchers you have booked, how many sales invoices and purchase invoices are there. So you want to see each and every single voucher and analyze how many of them in each category do you have. So to extract this, just click on display more reports and click on statement of accounts, and from here we extract the statistics. So we are in the Elite Traders and we can see the credit note is only one, debit notes we have one, and we have 9 purchases entered, we have 3 receipts, we have 9 sales, we have 4 journals, and overall we have this many groups, this many ledgers, these many cost categories and cost centers and stock items. So all categories and document types and vouchers in quantities are being shown here. So this is very good for audit purpose as well. Let's say that if we want to just analyze all the payments, it will not just give the numbers, but you can see the details of all these 9 vouchers. Just double click here. It will show you that all were booked in January. Just double click here and it will eventually show you the list of all these 9 payment vouchers, and then you can separately analyze them. Same goes for all the other things. So it is very convenient if especially we are auditing any particular type of voucher. Similarly, if we want to see the ledger details and all the names that is configured as ledgers, we can just double click here and we get a complete list of ledgers along with the group details. So this is how the statistics functions is used in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.